going to look at two more different ways to prove that something is congruent. We are going to talk about angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. So let's talk about angle, side, angle first. First of all, let's write it out. We have angle, side, and an angle. The side has to be in between. Okay, so let's draw that. We're just like a side. These two triangles have a side in common. That little line means they are. We make a little arc that's telling me it's an angle. And I want angle, side, angle. So I have to do the angle on the other side are congruent to each other. Angle, side, and angle. Okay, the other one we're going to talk about is angle, angle, side. So we've got AAS or angle, angle, side. The side is not in between the angles. Okay, it's not in between angles. So we are talking about an angle. Here we've got angles that match. We've got a side. We've got a side that matches. And then we might have another angle up here. Okay, angle, angle, side. The side is not in between. So let's look at some examples of these. Okay, remember we have vertical angles. So if it looks like a bow tie, sideways bow tie, or you can see that X in the middle, those angles are congruent. So I'm going to write that down. I have vertical angles. And then it is angle, side, angle for that. Look at number 4. Ooh, again, I've got another one here where I've got those vertical angles. So I know I've got vertical angles here. Vertical angles does not prove that they are congruent. It just helps us see where that other angle came from. So we have angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. Oh, there we go. Number 6. Ooh, I've got reflexive showing here. So first I have reflexive to show one of the sides is the same. And then what proves that the triangles are congruent? I have side, angle, angle, or angle, angle, side here. So I can go angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. And they're congruent. Let's see if we've got another one. Like for number 5 right here, this is side, angle, side, side, angle, side right here. So this one is, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. Because the side is in between that matches. All right. We want to prove angle, side, angle here. Remember, we already have vertical angles. So I've got an angle, I've got a side. I need another angle, but I need that angle to not be in between. So I'm going to have to say H is congruent to A. So you say angle H is equal to or congruent to angle A. And I'm just using something a little bit different to show angles. So that was angle, angle, side. Let's do an angle, side, angle one. Okay, so for here, I know that these are congruent because of reflexive, but I need an angle, a side, and an angle. So I'm going to have to choose this angle down here. So let's talk about how that's listed, because that's a little bit more difficult. So I'm going to say angle, and I'm going to go, I want F to be in the middle. So we go HFG. HFG, and that's equal to, now H would go with T, so I go angle, T, F, G. That F is in the middle, but on each side, and I'm kind of stating it by stating it like this. Number 14, we want angle, angle, side. So we already have this side. So I'm going to say this angle this time. Okay, so I would go angle. Now I want Q to be in the middle, so I go U, Q, R is congruent to angle. Instead of U, I'm going to say P, P, Q, R. It's kind of describing where it is. So that's it for angle, side, angle, and angle, angle,